Hi guys, today we are baking cupcakes, so let's get on with it. Okay, so first we need to add the sugar. So I've got this white pasta sugar here, so we're going to put that in the measure thing. And we need 110 grams, so around... And then once you've got that, so that is now 110 grams. So now it is time for the next part. So then now we are gonna pour the sugar into the bowl. And then now put this back onto here. And then we get the butter. Let's see if this is right first. That is right. And then now we've got the nice yellow butter. And then we are going to get 110 grams.
Okay. That's done.
Okay. That isn't enough. And then you're going to pour the butter into this, like that. And then you're going to get your whisk. Grab your whisk and then stir all that sugar into the butter. Mix it around. And I'll come back when it's all mixed. Okay then, now you get 2 eggs, pour into a jug and get a fork and whisk. Keep whisking it until it gets the orange into it. So just whisk as fast as you can. Try not to get it over the edge if you've got a small jug. But with this one, it's alright. So just keep whisking it until it gets to a bright orange. Okay, now we need 110 grams of flour into the measurer. So now we get this. Oh no. Yep, that will be fine. Maybe a little bit more. Yep, it's perfect. So then, when you've got all that sorted, you pour a little bit of the egg into the bowl. And then pour a little bit of flour into the bowl. And then you mix that in. Keep mixing it in. I also like how everything in this needs 110 grams. So okay, and then once it's like that, we'll add some more in. So pour a bit of egg in, and then pour the flour in. And then whisk that in with that again. My sister's making loads of noise back there, so just don't care about it. Keep whisking it, and then when it's all finished, and then add just all the rest in. There's not that much left. And then add the flour. Then whisk that in with it. And eventually you can get this. Can't really see it. And then that is the part that you need to do. You can slow the video down if you want. So, yep, let's get on to the next part. So then now you need to get some milk. Just use the same jug that you use as the egg if you want. And then if you've got like the same amount as me, just make sure you've got the same amount. And then just pour half of it in. Half. Is that half? Yeah, that's about half. And then stir it into the mixture. To mix that in, you can add the rest of the milk and stir that in with it too. Okay, that's the end of this part. See you in the Okay then, so you need your bun cases and this like bun tray here where you're going to put the buns in the oven. So put each cupcake bun into there. I don't know how many of this will make, so I'll just add 6 in first and then, yeah, I'll probably make about 12 maybe, so it's a good job there's 12 here. So I'll put all of the bun cases into here and see if we can get them. And then now we need a small spoon and a big spoon. If you've got one, like a tablespoon and like a bigger spoon, you get your mixture over here. And then you get the big spoon and scoop it up, try and catch any. And then in the first one, the small spoon, just scrape it out. And then do the same with the second one. Add a bit more into that one. And then I think you're all done. Okay, so now you need to make sure you set the oven when you started, before you started. And then, so that is how you bake cupcakes. We're gonna put them in the oven and then I'll show you the results after. Set about a 10-minute timer, maybe 15, and then we'll see how they're doing. Then after that 15 minutes, put it in the oven for another 5 minutes and then check on it again. If it doesn't look golden, put it in for like another 5 minutes. Once they've been in the oven for at least 25 minutes, let them cool for around 20 minutes. When they've cooled down, you're going to start making the icing. So we've got this icing sugar here. I'm going to open. So first, we're going to put a little bit of water in. And then we're going to put some of the icing sugar in. So we're going to put quite a lot. I'm going to mix it with a spoon until it gets nice and thick. You can add some more of this if it's just like really watery like this. We just need to let it mix first. Now look at this. Start off like that, don't worry. Maybe add a bit more, because that does not look right. And then just mix it all about. Get a bit more. a bit now. It's starting to thicken up. Right, the cupcakes should look a bit like that. So I'll just keep mixing, and I think that would be fine for now. So then get the cupcakes. And then we've also got these chocolate sprinkles. You can have any sprinkles you like, you don't have to have chocolate. Put all the icing on. Maybe not the best icing, but okay. It's the first one, and then you'll sprinkle some sprinkles on. That's the first one done. And then we'll do them with the other ones. Just pour the icing all over them. Icing first. And then it's going to have loads of sprinkles. Yeah, you can barely see the icing. Okay, so that is how I make cupcakes.